Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bree Marie. Today's video is going to be on Fenty Beauty's Eaze Drop Skin Tint, which is what your girl is rocking today. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to your girl's channel, show her some love, and hit that subscribe button. If you guys are interested in learning if the Eaze Drop is hot or not, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. This is going to be on Fenty Beauty's Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I am in the shade number 8 today. It says to shake it well. I already primed my face using the Touch in Soul Sherbet Primer. Obviously, I already did my eyes. And we're just going to apply her with a beauty sponge today. I have tried it a couple of times, I must say, but I'm excited to just do a mini review on here for you guys. You guys get a better idea of the product. You can apply this on your hands as well as a brush, but I'm gonna go ahead and use beauty sponge today. I'm gonna tap this into the skin. I believe it's medium, light to medium coverage. Got out these big ass hoops on today, they're getting in my way. It's funny because I had smaller ones on. I was like, no, let's go for the big ones because they're cuter. Like, get out the way. Is applying very evenly. The skin with some skin tints, I've noticed that they can get very blotchy at times, and this one is not giving me that vibe at all. I'm trying to get more into skin tints just because summer is around the corner, and I'm all about lately skin looking actually like skin because I'm a full coverage kind of girl. I love full coverage, but I'm like, I want something to be a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna try and test out a whole bunch of skin tints, CC creams, all that good stuff. Just switch it up because summer is coming and I don't want to have like a full face like all the time. It says that it's supposed to be blurring and I can definitely see that on my nose. The primer I used isn't a blurring primer because I wanted to do that on purpose so I could actually see with the skin tint. And my nose looks like flawless, like I have no pores, which is good. Now I'm just going in with some concealer from NARS. This is Radiant Concealer in the shade Cafe Au Lait. And the reason why I apply my concealer on the edges is just because I have a little sunspot, so I'll let this sit for a little bit and let the concealer do its magic and provide me with a little bit more coverage. It's not because I don't know how to apply concealer, it's just that I got my little spotties, so I like to try and cover them up just a little bit. Now let's blend her out. Things are starting to open up, which is so excited. So happy about that. My friends keep telling me everything's supposed to open up by June 15th. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. Summer is always so much fun. It's warmer. People love to go outside, do outdoor activities. I'm definitely one of them. I have a lot of catching up to do since all the time that we lost from COVID. People are gonna be able to travel more, so things are looking up, guys, and I'm super happy about it. I'm sure you guys are as well. To see family and friends again, to hang out, just somewhat go back to normal things. To set the face, I'm gonna be going in with the Translucent Honey from Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna set this with a Morphe M438. By the way, I did try the body wash that came in my last BoxyCharm, like I told you guys I would, and the verdict is it's nice. It smells very citrusy, so if you like citrus body washes, then that one is for you. I'm not so crazy about the citrus smell, but I mean, it gets the job done. All right, now for a bronzer, I'm just going to go in with my NYX bronzer and place it in the perimeters of my face. Just do a light little bronze. I'm not gonna do crazy contour or anything like that. Just to give myself a little bit of sun. That sun-kissed glow going on. Who else is excited for summer besides me? Let me know down in the comments. Your girl is stoked. Maybe go to a festival or two. And for blush, I'm gonna be going in with my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, because it is just that girl. Look how pretty she is. Gorgeous, love her. Okay, let's see, I'm just gonna put this on a blush brush. So pigmented, look at that color. Look at that color, guys, so pigmented. I love the Milani blushes. They're definitely the go-to for drugstore quality. I'm just gonna go in with my little Wander palette, and there's a little highlight right here. Now for setting spray, I'm going to be going in with Pixie. It matches my theme of my backdrop. Hashtag not planned. This is the Rose Water and Green Tea Makeup Fixing Mist. I don't know why I said it so slow. Okay, I'm just gonna go in. For lips, I'm gonna be going in with a lip pencil. This is from NYX. This is the shade Nude Pink. This is such a pretty nude. I like this will pair really nicely. Everything. I want to add a little glossy gloss, so I'm going to put on my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Let's zoom you guys in on the skin. This is what she looks like. I think it's beautiful. I think it's flawless. It looks very nice, very lightweight. You can see like the blurring a little bit in my nose area. Looks like I have no pores, which a girl loves. It just really looks like skin, and I'm all about it. I obviously haven't done a wear test, so I don't really know how long it lasts for, or if it starts to break up or anything like that. Your girl does have a little bit of oily skin, but I mean, I said it and I don't feel like my skin looks that oily. Like I said, it feels like I'm barely wearing anything, and I absolutely love it. Definitely gonna be a new staple in my collection. I would recommend it to you guys just because in my experience, it does look very nice, very hydrating. It's not drying, it's not blotchy or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend it, and I love it. Please let me know in the comments down below if you guys would want to try the skin tint, or let me know what you think about how it looks on the skin. And if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give your girl a huge thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you guys can be part of my fam and see more videos like this, reviews, makeup tutorials, all that jazz. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.